Hi listeners. Welcome back to Percakapan channel. Learning English and Bahasa Indonesia. Today you're going to listen to a short story. First part, you listen to a short story, then answer the questions based on the story you've heard. Last part, you retell the story again in your own words. Let's start listening now. Hobbies and interests. From Monday until Friday most people are busy working or studying, but in the evenings and on weekends they are free to relax and enjoy themselves. Some watch television or go to the movies, others participate in sports. It depends on individual interests. There are many different ways to spend our spare time. Almost everyone has some kind of hobby. It may be anything from collecting stamps to making model airplanes. Some hobbies are very expensive, but others don't cost anything at all. Some collections are worth a lot of money, others are valuable only to their owners. I know a man who has a coin collection worth several $1,000s. A short time ago he bought a rare 50-cent piece worth $250. He was very happy about his purchase and thought the price was reasonable. On the other hand, my youngest brother collects matchboxes. He has almost 600 of them, but I doubt if they are worth any money. However, to my brother they are extremely valuable. Nothing makes him happier than to find a new matchbox for his collection. That's what a hobby means, I guess. It is something we like to do in our spare time simply for the fun of it. The value in dollars is not important, but the pleasure it gives us is. Questions. I. What is a hobby? 2. Name 3 types of hobbies. 3. Is a hobby expensive? 4. Why is a hobby important? 5. Do you have a hobby? What is it?
Now, please retell the story again in your own words.
That's the end of the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, give comment and share this link to others. See ya.